Am I the asshole for telling my stepdaughter to stop using period products in the bathroom that she shares with my teenage sons? I have been living with my new wife and stepdaughter for about 6 months now. She's 19, almost 20, and I have three sons aged 18, 16, and 15. Okay, so I must say she really is a good influence on my sons, and she's a really good kid, and I enjoy having her around. So anyways, my wife and her daughter moved into my house and sold theirs. My stepdaughter's father isn't present in her life, nor is my son's mother. But here's the thing. All four children share a bathroom. My sons have never lived for a long period of time with a woman, nor have any of them had any long-term girlfriends. They were never around their mom much, so living with women has been really unusual for them. My oldest son, who's 18, came to me last week and told me that his stepsister disposes of her used sanitary products in the trash can that they share. She doesn't even use a toilet roll or a sandwich bag to disguise what they are. Needless to say, this made him uncomfortable, which I think is reasonable. My sons are teenage boys and don't want to see their stepsister's period products on full display. A few nights ago, I went into the kitchen and I saw my stepdaughter there, so I thought this was a great opportunity to have a word with her. I told her that my sons were uncomfortable and asked if she would mind putting her used products in diaper bags or flushing them down the toilet. She laughed and told me it was rich coming from a man who sheds like a gorilla and has produced 3 skid-marking sons, which I thought was just an unnecessary attack. I've been nothing but nice to the girl. My son shouldn't be subjected to her unhygienic products if it makes them uncomfortable. She went on to lecture me about how tampons can't be flushed and that it's bad for the environment if she uses diaper bags for everyone, which I think was just an excuse. I called her a scruff and told her that this was my house and that what I say goes. Later on, I asked my wife if she could have a word with her daughter, and she told me that I was being ridiculous and that her daughter had her period for 10 years and she knows what she's doing. When I told her that it was making my sons uncomfortable, she said that my sons needed to get a grip and then turned over and went to sleep. This is a genuine issue to me, and she didn't even care enough to have a discussion about it. I asked my stepdaughter again in the morning, and she did the same as her mother and completely dismissed it. Both of them told me to stop being so silly, but I don't see how I'm being unreasonable when it makes my sons uncomfortable. So am I wrong here?